Hi, I'm Pat from the Sewing Studio Fabric Superstore, and today I'm going to show you how to use Heat and Bond iron-on vinyl, a product we've stocked for a long time but which I think gets overlooked by many of us. I use it regularly when I make pouches and tote bags. I love being able to pick my own cotton print, laminate it, and sew it. I have a bolt of it here so that you can see what it looks like. You can see that on one side it has a grid, so if you want to be very correct in your measurements, you can use the grid on that side. Heat and Bond iron-on vinyl comes in two finishes, glossy or matte. Today I'm going to use the matte finish. Make sure the cotton you use is pre-washed and ironed. Preheat your iron to a medium setting and make sure that your steam is switched off on your iron, or it will melt the vinyl. So cut your vinyl to the appropriate size of your project. I have a piece cut here. You can see it has a shiny side and my grid side. So what I'm going to do next is peel away. Okay, there we go. That's probably the only tricky part of the project, is to just peel that away. So you can see now that I have a sticky side, which is what was adhered to my protective paper. Now I'm going to lay the sticky side down onto the right side of my fabric. I'm just going to smooth it out a little bit. And then I'm going to take my protective paper and lay that on top of my vinyl to protect it, and then I'm going to take my iron and I'm going to press for about 8 seconds. I move it around just a little bit. I know that I pre-ironed my fabric beforehand so I don't have any creases. So if you like, you can use a timer. I'm just gauging it. I think that's about 8 seconds. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it over, and I'm just going to press the back for another 4 seconds. Just repeating the procedure with no steam. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it back. Just going to give it a second to cool, and I'm going to remove my protective paper. And there is my fabric, my beautiful batik. This is actually a Christmas batik, laminated. Once you start using this product, I think you'll find that a whole world of possibilities opens up to you. You'll be able to make totes, purses, placemats, and aprons, anything you want to have a washable and water-resistant surface. You can sew it on a regular sewing machine with a regular foot or a Teflon foot, whichever you prefer. I have an example of a project here that one of our teachers made for one of our classes. And it's an adorable beach sandal. Actually, the sunglasses are on the front. This is the front. When you open it up, we lined it on the inside. You can see here when I open it up, the lining has been laminated with this product. So now if you want to put your wet bathing suit in there, your actual project will not get wet. You can zip it up and it'll protect it. I hope I've inspired you to use this product on one of your future projects. Thank you, and come by and see us.